Do you trust the PC repairman with your personal data and other confidential information? Have you ever been met with technical issues with your PC? This warrants a trip to the PC repair shop, which may put your data at risk due to negligence or ill intent. What if they were to duplicate your personal data to their hard disk? This threat exists for individuals as well as employees. Both organizations and individuals should thus take the following precautionary measures when sending computers for repair or data recovery. Choose a repairman who is reliable, perhaps based on referrals by friends. Take precautionary measures to ensure that the repairman does not make unauthorized copies of your private and confidential data. Back up your hard disk regularly so that you have another set of data that can be used to quickly restore valuable data. For more data protection resources, visit www.dpaxnetwork.org, the Data Protection Excellence Network, and sign up for free as a member to have full access to all content. Do also like and follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn if you found this useful.